Hey everybody, Gregory Shannon here with the Chernov team, here to welcome you to our new listing, 15515 Hesby Street in Encino, just north of the boulevard. This single level home behind me has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2,796 square feet of living space on a lot that's just almost 9,300 square feet. The backyard is equipped with a pool, a spa, and ample space to run around and entertain. So come on through, I'll show you around, and if you have questions, let us know. Welcome to Hesby. And as soon as you enter, you're greeted with this open floor plan concept with open floor plan for the dining, as well as the family living space. So that way when you're entertaining, you don't need to separate the guests. Everybody can just enjoy one common space and revolve around this newly updated fireplace. Everything in this house has been remodeled. It's designed for entertainment purposes in mind. So just on the other side of this formal dining area, you've got the kitchen, which is also open floor plan concept, and it's separate so that people who are dining cannot see you cooking or preparing, and that way it gives you that good separation of space. Beautiful Caesar stone quartz with slow close cabinets. Got a beautiful view of the outside area through your French double doors, and it's a great space to hang out with your family. Now that we've seen the common living areas, I want to show you the best room of the house. Now we're walking into the primary suite, which has been custom designed by the owners. And as you can tell, so custom that you've got a keypad that you need to punch in a code in order to access your master. So as you can tell, you enter directly into the closet, which is a full-size walk-in closet with center island, ample storage space all throughout. And then just making your way back into the room. Got a very large master, the barn style door. Here you've got your soaking tub. Again, everything has been completely remodeled. Standing shower, toilet, and your bidet, and double vanity, of course. Come with me, I'm going to show you the 2 bedrooms, mini suites really. The first one is the daughter's room. And as you can tell, it is an oversized bedroom, and you've got 2 sliding door closets, which is very nice. And every bedroom has their own individual bathroom right across the way. All right, I showed you the daughter's room. Now I'm going to show you the oversized son's room. Nicely sized, you got 1 sliding door closet and a lot of room to do with whether you're playing with Legos, painting, or you have a massive video game system set up. Honestly, every room can cater to your desires. And similar as the last bedroom, this bedroom also has its individual bathroom right across the way. All right, now, as you can tell, we're outside in the backyard, which has been fully customized by the current owners. We've got this large pergola with covered seating, keeping you out of the sun, perfect for entertaining during the day. Your large smoker, which is perfectly situated on the far corner of the house. And as you can tell, this backyard is massive. With a lot that's almost 9,300 square feet, you can spare some space for an outdoor gym and all of this hanging out terrain. And then perfectly situated is your pool with your Baja shelf, oversized spa, and you've got, of course, a waterfall that comes off from the edge of the backsplash. Honestly, this is as close to resort-style living as you can possibly get in Encino. So just a little recap, we just toured a home that has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. You're about 2,700 square feet on a lot that's close to 9,300 square feet, fully remodeled and ready for its new owners to take hold. So if you have any questions, you'd like more information, or to schedule your own private tour, please don't hesitate to reach out to myself or the team. We'd be happy to get it done for you. Have a great day, and we hope to hear from you soon.